Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tony, this is Natalie.
Hi.
And this is TC's Outdoors. And it's Memorial Day weekend, so I hope you guys are all enjoying your weekend. Natalie has asked to have a fire, and I thought this would be an excellent opportunity to see how long my fire starters burn for. And I've also had a couple questions on how I get them lit. For me, I just like the paper cup. So if you haven't seen the video where Natalie and I make fire starters, I'll throw a link over here, over there. And we'll put that up and you guys can check that out. But it's a pretty simple process. Just soy wax and some pine shavings and some paper cups. So this is kind of the setup we got going on right here. I've got 2 of the fire starters in there, and these are pretty decent sized chunks of wood. I'm going to throw a little kindling down inside and we'll light the cup, and I'm going to hand the camera over to my assistant here. So we just got a couple chunks of slash off of, by the splitter, and I'm just going to lay those kind of out over the top just to get a little fire going. And let me light the cup. So if you come over here now, maybe we'll just move all that stuff out of the way first. So like I said, I just light the paper cup. So got this little torch from Outdoors with the Morgans. Bought it off an Amazon link that they had. So, and there you go. If I can get at them, there we go. So I don't add a wick. I know a couple guys had asked if we use a wick or what the plan is, and I have found so far that the paper cups light just fine on their own. So I'd say this is probably optimum conditions. There's like 0 wind out here. It's gorgeous. It's still probably 70 degrees, and we're gonna have a campfire. So I'm gonna set up my timer on my cell phone, and we'll set you guys up to watch, and I'll probably throw it on time lapse, that way it's not so super boring, and we'll see exactly how long they burn. So what do you think?
I think it's pretty cool, and it was very fun pouring the wax.
It was.
Melting the wax.
That's right. And while we're doing this, I'm gonna go make more bundles. There's the Ranger set up over there in my bundle stand. Sales have been fantastic this weekend. Natalie, can you go grab my phone, honey? So, all right, so we've got the timer started, and I've got the camera just about as low as I can get it, and we'll see how long those bad boys burn. So
I think they'll burn pretty long.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change.
okay, so let's check my timer. It is maybe this wasn't the best test, because the fire is raging, as you guys see. So that must be some pretty good firewood, I'd say. So the stopwatch is 8 minutes, a little over 8 minutes. There's still some remnants down in there, but it's kind of hard to tell what's fire and what's fire starter. So either way, If you're interested in making these at your home with the, if you got a little one like that likes to help out doing a little DIY projects together, grandkids or whatever, there's a link. I already said that. I'll throw a link up, and I'll throw the video at the end too. So this is going to be a short one, guys, but enjoy your Memorial Day weekend. We have had an action-packed weekend. My son today, his baseball team just won the Section 5 Class C1 title. So
which is very exciting.
It's very exciting.
Because they haven't gotten to this point in over 20 years.
20 years. It's been 20 years since our high school has won a sectional title, and my son's team has been rolling this year. So super excited.
He has some good teammates and some good coaches.
He for sure does. So if you're into this kind of stuff, guys, please hit the like and subscribe. Share it with your friends. And I'll give you guys a baseball update later on. We're going to regionals. So on to regionals and then to states, maybe, hopefully. So fingers crossed. Wish us luck. So, all right, guys, take care. We'll see you.
Bye.